Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hi, what's up beautiful people out there? This is Ashish Chauhan from ashvircreations. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all guys are doing extremely well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to edit your photos like a girl standing on the water and the water reflection of her image is seen on the silent water. So before getting to the video, just press the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos and presets just like this for you guys. And if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and hit the notification icon to get latest updates. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can download backgrounds, camera preset, Lightroom preset and every kind of photo editing stuff just for free. Also follow me on Instagram. Let's jump to the beautiful world of Photoshop. All you have to do is just capture or open the image which you want to get edited. Now here I have already made a selection. Now here I will select the image by using the quick selection tool, and just click on the plus icon and roll all over the body of the model. Now here the important thing is to select the hairs of the subject or the model image. So all you have to do is just right click on it and select the select and mask option in Photoshop CC. And if you are using Photoshop CS6, then you can find that refine edge brush tool. So select the select and mask option. Now make sure to select the second brush, that is mixture brush. Now just roll all over the edge of the hairs. Edges of the hairs you need to just roll all over it. Now here also we're gonna do the same thing. So this is automatically your hairs edges will be selected and they would be selected. Now just press OK and you can see our selection has been completed. Now just right click on it and select layer copy option to make a duplication of the selection. Here we have already made the selection of this image. Now all you're gonna do is let's open the background. Now all you have to do is just drag and drop over here. It is really very simple. Go to the edit, select the free transform and increase the size of this image. Now here you can adjust the transformation. And just hit OK. Now first of all we're gonna make the photo for our Instagram profile. Select the crop tool and select the 8:10 ratio, which is the perfect ratio for our Instagram. Now just drag and just keep it somewhere over here. You can increase the size. Now this one looks pretty much perfect. So just hit OK. Now the next thing would be just still more. You can just increase the size of this. Let's keep it somewhere over here. Now this one is really looking perfect. Now all you need to do is just the very first thing we're gonna do is just create a layer, empty layer. Just right click on it and select the create a clipping mask. Select the brush tool and just pick the bluish color and just paint on the edge of the subject to make it selected. Also we'll do the same thing on the other side of the image. So this is how you have to paint the edge of the image. To make it look original, you need to do this thing. Merge over the layers, right click on it and select merge layer. Now just select the eraser tool, select the soft round brush, increase the size of the image, brush. Now just select the eraser tool and just erase it on a straight way. So this is how you have to do the process of erasing the subject of the model. Now the next thing would be select the blur tool, select the hard round brush and just do the process of blurring on the edge of the model image, because this will actually create your photograph to look very much realistic, which we actually want. So it is very much necessary that you should always do this process of blurring whenever you have cut out the image. Also let's do this process on the edge of the hat. So this is how you have to do this process of blurring. Make sure no part is remaining unblurred. Just do it in a precise way and just take your time to do this process. So finally here we have completed our process of blurring the edges. So this one is really looking amazing. Now just duplicate it, press OK and just press Ctrl T, flip it vertical way and just keep it somewhere over here. Now here, go to the filter, select the blur, select the motion blur and just in the 0, here angle should be 0 and just increase the distance of around 40 and just press OK. Now here we're gonna just reduce the opacity, so press Ctrl U from the keyboard and just decrease some saturation to minus 10. Now we'll select the solid color and just pick this bluish tone and select the mask layer, select the brush tool, increase the size of the brush, select the soft round brush, make sure you have selected the black color and just delete some portion from here. Now just decrease some opacity, change this blending mode to multiply. Now here we're gonna just add some sun rays, so select this sun rays PNG, just drag and drop over here, press Ctrl T, increase the size of the image, change the blending mode to screen. Now again press Ctrl L from the keyboard and just move from left to right just a little bit and just press OK. And you can just keep this stroke somewhere over here. Here also let's select the brush tool and just select the white color. Now this one is really looking very much realistic. The sun rays are just coming on the image of the directly on the subject. Now press Ctrl J from the keyboard to make a duplication. Again press Ctrl J from the keyboard and press Ctrl D. Flip it on the vertical way and just keep it somewhere over here. Now go to the filter, select motion blur from there. Again let's add some more motion blur on the shadow. Here you can just decrease the opacity, because the reflection are not actually proper every time, so it is very much necessary to decrease the opacity of the sun rays. Here you can just increase the shadows or whatever you want. Just keep it to 50%. Now here go to the color lookup and select the Cinematic LUTs, that is 7th one. This will make your photograph to look really very much amazing. Let's just reduce some lights. Now just merge all the layers, right click on it and select merge layers. Now here we will just first of all we will just blur the background, so go to the background layer, select the blur gallery and select the tilt shift option. Keep it somewhere over here. Now here we will increase the blurriness. And just hit OK. Now this one is really looking very much amazing. The blurriness and everything is really looking very perfect. Now just merge all the layers, right click and again let's select and crop the image. Go to the filter, select the camera filter from there. Now here we will just go to the HSL tab. Now select the blue tone and just make it to bluish aqua. Just make it to blue, more blue tone. And here also let's make some more bluish tone. Now this one is really looking very much amazing. Let's just add some clarity on the image to +10. Increase the vibrance if you want to increase to +10. Add some contrast in the image. Increase the highlights. Increase some shadows. Decrease some whiteness. Decrease some blackness. Now this one is really looking very much amazing. If you want to add vignette you can add, otherwise it is okay, don't add the vignette. It is really looking this much a perfect one. So finally we have edited just like Jackson Olson Studio. Very much perfect blurry with reflection. Here is the before and here is the after. It is really looking very much amazing. So if you want to edit your portraits of girl, you can just use this technique to edit your photograph in a perfect way. So I hope you all guys have enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed, then just press the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos and presets just like this for you guys. And if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and hit the notification icon to get latest updates. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can download backgrounds, camera preset, Lightroom preset and every kind of photo editing stuff just for free. Also guys, follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video.